Okay, welcome to this training. I don't know if you have encountered this error. There has been a critical error on this website. Please check your site admin email inbox for instructions. Okay, how I came about this error message on WordPress website was when I went to my mail. Look on my mail, I got a mail that your site is experiencing a technical issue. Okay, and I check the site. I now Google, check the site, browse the site. Okay, I browse the site and observe certain things that the site misbehaves. It's not giving me the exact design I want. Okay, this is not how this site is supposed to be. Some of the pictures are oversized. It is abnormal. So when you get this, it's a result of maybe plugins misbehaving. So I now said move to the admin to correct the website, and I try logging on. It gives me there has been a critical error on this website. Please check your site admin email inbox for instructions. Okay, so what causes this thing is, like I said, when a plugin malfunctions. How do you handle it? So you go to your control panel, and if you are using a VDEC control panel, okay, which you want to use now, VDEC control panel, you go to your like iPage, you go to the site, log on to the site, then you still click on MySQL management, and then under database you click on manage. Okay, now you click PHP my admin. So it takes you to your PHP my admin database, and if you are using a cPanel control panel, you simply put in the email and password and still type PHP, double click on PHP admin, it still takes you here. Okay, so when you are there, you click on this, you expand it, and then look for option. Click on option, it opens. So under this you look for, okay, normally number 33 is always, that's it. So this is 25, let me search. Okay, this is 33, active plugins. You look for active plugins and click on edit. Okay, you can see A5. That shows the number of plugins there. There are 5 plugins. So you can just disable it by saying A0. Okay, when you click A0, you now click on go and you save it. Okay, saved. So go back again and try logging on to that dashboard WordPress website. Okay, this time around the option to log in has appeared. Okay, so you can now log in. Okay, now I'm logging to the dashboard, so I can now go to the plugins and now check the plugins that may be causing the problem. Okay, you know that zero I changed has automatically deactivated all the plugins. So I go to enable the plugins again and see the one causing it. Okay, you can see I have enabled all the plugins except the JPEG that is causing the problem. So I disable only JPEG, and now when I go back to the website and refresh it, okay, you see, scroll down, it gives me the correct structure and design I need on the website. So the website is back to life. There's no longer conflict again. You type just cpanel.website.com or .org. It takes you here. When you click login, it takes you here. You quickly go to PHP My Admin. Click on PHP My Admin. Okay, go to your database. Click your database and then look for option. In option, double click an option. Okay, then look for where you have active plugins. Let's check. Okay, you scroll down, look for active plugins 33. You can see active plugin 33. Just check and click on edit. Okay, you are now in the editing option of the active plugins. Now you see something like, when you zoom here, A7 represents the number of plugins. Just turn it to 0 to disable the plugins, and then click save. Go. It's loading. I hope you do enjoy the training. Thank you for watching.